Over 30 years in the making, located throughout the world and part of a $20 billion corporation. Welcome to Arrow OCS, your trusted solution provider ready to make your innovation global. As an OEM customer, whether your desire is to build a robust solution to a pressing market need, take your local product worldwide, or deliver an integrated appliance as an independent software vendor, you will be faced with a number of challenges. From choosing the right products at the right price, to deciding whether to make or build, every successful OEM recognizes the commercial demands of time, money, and quality. It is an industry truth that some OEMs flounder and struggle to meet their deadlines, targets, and yield, while others soar high, winning new customers and dominating the market. And that is where Arrow OCS comes in. We want you to be you, so you can focus on your core competencies, harness your expertise, and in turn maximize your productivity. And we can make this happen by providing you with product and design expertise, integration and logistical excellence on a global scale. From the smallest best fit component to bespoke finished systems, whether integrated or turnkey, we bring together the best suppliers that the embedded and industrial market has to offer, and we'll even build it for you. In short, we remove the pain from your process. Following Arrow's long tradition of supporting OEM customers over the last 30 years, Arrow OCS, or to give us our full name, Arrow OEM Computing Solutions, is here to support you, no matter what your requirements. This means we will be there for you at any point or throughout the entire life cycle of your product or appliance. We will even look to extend and manage that life cycle by working with suppliers on your behalf, so your business and your customers can avoid the consequences of obsolescence. And with Arrow OCS, unlike any other provider, it doesn't matter where you are or where you want to deliver. We can fulfill your needs in whatever global region you choose. With 7 integration centers spread across the world, each employing our copy-exact integration methodology, we can ensure and guarantee the same level of quality no matter how small or large your needs. Alternatively, we can come to you by bringing to your door local sourcing and supply chain management, again saving your business from unnecessary costs. We will also provide you with specialist RMA and repair services, so your production is quickly back on track, minimizing costly delays and ensuring quality. We can even help you with the import and export of your systems and products by giving you direct access to our wealth of expertise, and in doing so, lower your landed costs. As you can see, through our solutions and services, Arrow OCS exists to add value to you and your business. With customers both large and small, and spread across all manner of industry sectors, from healthcare to aerospace, industrial automation to security and surveillance, military and communications to gaming and independent software vendors. Our customers trust us to deliver on spec, on time, on budget, throughout the world. And that's because Arrow OCS is the partner of choice for specialist OEM distribution and integration. So let us bring it all together for you.